Hello there guys, and in this tutorial let's talk about unmounting. Okay, so in the previous tutorial we talked about mounting, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about unmounting. So to unmount the device, type in the following command. So if you want to unmount something, you should type in umount mount point. Okay, and basically the mount point is the mount point where you mounted your device. Okay, that is the mount point of the device. And also mind the spelling of the command. Okay, it's not unmount, but it's umount. Okay, so that's the name of the command. And to be honest with you, I think that this is going to be the command you are going to be using more frequently than the mount command. Although they kind of go in combination, you mount something, you unmount it. But for example, let's say something breaks or some device is not behaving as expected. Well, you can always unmount it via the graphical user interface, and that's sometimes what happens. But some tutorials ask you to unmount the device via the command line. Okay, and now you know what that means. Well, what that means is actually you make the device inaccessible from your root folder, and you basically kind of remove it from your directory hierarchy in your Linux operating system. Okay, so that's what unmounting means, to refresh our memory. Okay, so this is how you unmount a device. Mind the spelling of the command again. And that's it for this tutorial. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.